What's up, you guys? Today we will be discussing how to create a work breakdown structure in less than 10 minutes. In my last session, I had discussed the 4 life cycles of a project. If you haven't checked that out already, I will mention the link for you in the description box down below. If you find my lectures helpful, please show me some love and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, and let's get started. Now, what is a WBS? If we are working on a project, there are a lot of tasks that need to be done, and these tasks are composed of subtasks, which are in turn composed of subtasks. This gets a little tricky if the clarity is not maintained regarding what subtasks are to be done, who is responsible for what, and so forth. Work breakdown structure, therefore, is a format by which we can break down the larger tasks into smaller subtasks and activities. Also, we can assign the responsibilities so that the bigger tasks can get managed easily. We will see how to do this with an example in the next slide. For example, a company is organizing a festival. This is also called as the objective of the project, and I will consider this as level 0. We know that WBS is a hierarchical decomposition of the project scope. So in order to complete this objective, we need to further divide the scope into level 1 tasks that are, say for instance here, promotions. I have marked these in purple. So these are all level 1 tasks and we need to complete these tasks. Now these level 1 tasks can be further disintegrated into other tasks, that is level 2. So I have marked all the level 2 tasks in blue. If like you want to complete the promotions, what tasks do we need to do in order to complete this task? We need to publish newspaper ads, we need to create posters, we need to sell tickets. Once all these 3 tasks are complete, we can say that the promotion for the festival is also complete. Is that clear? Now, the level 2 tasks are also called as work package. Work package. Work package is comprised of activities. So what are the activities? Now let's go here, and here you will see that we have again level 2 and it's in blue, and we have divided this level 2 into level 3 activities. Say for instance 6.2.1 food boost. Like if I need to complete this level 1 task, I need to complete these 2 tasks, like getting the food and arranging the facilities, and then arranging the facilities will require other tasks to be done. And once these 3 tasks are complete, we can safely say that the task facilities is complete. And then we can say that, and once these 2 tasks are complete, then we can say that organizing food for the festival is also complete, right? Interestingly, we can also assign the responsibilities when we have the structure. Now, as we are clear with the basics, let's get on with our Excel sheet. Alright, so what we will do is that we will take all these activities and then we will put this in the Excel file. Alright, so I have already copied and pasted all the tasks that was there in our PowerPoint in Excel file with all the levels. This is our level 0, which is the project objective as well. This is the level 1, this is the level 2, this is the level 3. So how do we create the WBS? We will go to the insert function and we will insert smart hierarchy. Alright, so here we can take this one. You will go here, you'll copy and just paste. Okay, yeah, now it's good. Next we'll come to the another level, which is this one, right? Promotions. Yeah. So we will go ahead and we will copy it. Next is volunteering. Okay, now you see that here we have only 3 boxes, but we want more. So what we can do is we'll just press enter key and we'll have another box with us. So now we can just put our levels here. So we have 5, 6 and 7. We have the first level. Let me maximize it so that you can see it clearly. Alright. So now we will go to the next level. This is our level 0 and this is our level 1. Now I want to put the level 2 in this hierarchical format. So how do we do that? You go to the text here in the promotion and then you press an enter key. Once you press an enter key, you will see that you have a box that has been created. Now to move it below the promotion, what you need to do is press a tab key. You will see that the promotion has a new box. Next what we can do is we can go to the level 2 activity and then we can just paste. I'll create 3 because there are 3 activities. Now let's go to the another one, which is volunteering. This doesn't have any subtasks, so we can just move on with it. We will create another level for games. So for games, you need to go here and then press an enter key and then press a tab. Alright, you'll have another level here. So now you can just copy it from the above and paste it here. We are creating the third level. As you can see, the grandstand task has been divided into the third level, which is also the activities. And you can see that it has beautifully been divided now into different levels along with the responsibility of the person, right? So now you can also change the color. I will want different color for different levels, so that's it guys. I hope that I made it easier for you to create and understand the work breakdown structure. If you found my videos helpful, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. Thank you. See you until next time. Bye.